Yeah, hello. Yeah, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know what to do over here. We talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online company, and a lot. Yeah, so today's date is 10th September, and we all know the updates about Neptune Network. That's the more reason why I'm here today. Yeah, so today I wake up and many people were sending me DMs about some one particular thing, and I'm here to talk about it and refer you back to some of my updates. I did it last month. Yeah, so I hope I've already told you that Neptune Network have already set some standard that you have to follow, or else you will lose your coins. Yeah, so I told you that if you have released coins and you're not yet in the DeFi trade, it's best for you to join a DeFi trade, or you may end up losing all your money. Yeah, so recently people have been chatting me that when they try to log in into their account, they said invalid password. They input their own password. The password they set it for the account, but when they try to log in with their password and passcode, it says invalid password. That one is a sign of force you losing your coin. So some people were saying that, oh bro, you're talking too much, blah blah blah. So those people are the people that are losing their accounts right now, and they are in my DM disturbing me. So right now, if you try to log in into your account and it says that your password is invalid, that means you have lost your asset, that you don't have any money in your account, because Neptune Network made us know that before 10th September, if you have released coins and you haven't participated in the DeFi trade, you may end up losing your account, or you may end up losing your coins. And I made a full video about it, telling people I think I've made more than 2 videos about that particular thing, teaching you that if you don't do it, you may end up losing your money. And this thing, I'm not talking about the newbies, like the new ones in the Neptune Network. That one, I will not advise you to participate in the DeFi trading. But if you're OG on a platform and you already have Neptune coins, USDT or Tron, that one I would advise you to participate. And you people were saying, oh, that's your own thing. Now, some of you people are out losing your coins with that. It's very sad though. Yeah, but the official time that they will damage all the coins is, I think, 10 p.m. Yeah, so right now, if you open your account and God being so good, you can access your account and you have released coins and you haven't accessed or participate in the DeFi trading, please do so. This one is for people who already have the NT coins, or people who have money in their account already. If you don't have money in the account, if you check the release coin and you don't have anything, that one, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about people who have money in their release coins and they are not yet in the DeFi trade. That's the people I'm talking to right now. You see, because me, like, okay, I believe that they may come back or they will not come back. But if, let's say, they are coming back, there are some certain things that they will put it on a way to cut some people off. You see that thing? Yeah, and that's more reason why I've been doing updates about Neptune Network, and people have been saying a lot of shit. Some people also have been taking it serious. And right now, some people are in my DM, like these same people saw my videos and they ignore the videos. And right now they are in my DM disturbing me. if you DM me about this thing, I'll charge you. I will not say anything for free. That's why I always do videos for free, to advise you on certain things that you have to do in order to keep your money safe in the account, so that we can wait for the 15th September. If they will release it, fine. So that then, so today is the last day. Today is the last day. Today is the last day. So if you have released coins and you haven't participated in DeFi trade, today is the last day. From now up to 10 p.m., you may end up losing your money. So please take this update very serious. And don't read certain comments that like they are gone, they are blah 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 blah. So imagine if they are not gone, and people started cashing out, and because of believing that they are gone and you didn't participate in DeFi trade, and right now people are cashing out, what will you do? That is why I said, even if you have $1, you have to know that you have money in your account. So you have to do everything to keep your money safe in your account. Don't be like, oh, like they are gone, people are saying they are gone, so me, I don't care, blah 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 blah. So if 15th September they say, okay, right now they have opened the market, they have opened the wallet, withdraw your money, what are you gonna do? That's my question right now. What are you gonna do? You can't do anything. That is why I've been releasing updates about Neptune Network for you all to watch and try protect your money. You see, yeah. So today's date is what, 10th, and today is the final day, and today is the day they will be destroying a lot of people Neptune coins. They will be destroying a lot of people accounts as well. So you have to pray. So if you wake up and you try to access your account and they say invalid password, that means your account is off. That means you are off. And it's getting scary, because some people also told me that they are in DeFi trade, but still when they try to log into their account, they say invalid account. So it's becoming scary. It's becoming scary, bro. I'm even scared, because I have 22,000 plus in my account, $22,000 plus in my account, and I can't afford to lose all this money now. Can't afford to lose all this money. But we are waiting, and we know, like, we believe that they are not gone. That's our belief, though. But it can be that they are gone or not. Let me drink on it. People have invested a lot in this platform, and some people have been sharing their wallets with me. Charlie, some people are having, let's say, $50,000 in their account. No be easy. No be easy money with that. You see, and these people, some of these people even didn't enjoy their profits on the platform. It's very sad. It's very sad. Very sad. But all I can say is that today is the last day. Today is the day that they told us they will destroy some of their coins. So please, If you are watching this video very early, please take this video very serious, and this is the last time that you have to protect your money, or it's gone forever, or your money is gone forever. So please do everything to protect your money right now, or you may end up crying. So I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Founder Tech. And please, thank you all. Right now we are 8,000 subscribers strong. We are still hoping for more. So keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, and let's grow faster. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm the founder of Founder Tech, and I'm out.